In the given figure, A equals 15 meter per second square represents the total acceleration of a particle moving in the clockwise direction in a circle of radius r equals 2.5 meter at a given instant of time. What is the speed of the particle? We are given a total acceleration A equals 15 meter per second square and the radius of the circle r equals 2.5 meters and the total acceleration makes an angle of 30 degrees with the radius. We need to find the speed of the particle v. The total acceleration of the particle in circular motion has two components, that is centripetal acceleration and tangential acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is directed towards the center and responsible for circular motion, and it can be given as AC equals v square by r. And the tangential acceleration is responsible for the change in speed along the tangential direction. From the problem, the total acceleration forms a 30-degree angle with the radius. By using trigonometry, we can write AC equals A cos 30 and AT equals A sin 30. Substituting A equals 15 meter per second square, we get AC equals 15 cos 30, that is equal to 15 into root 3 by 2, that is 12.99 meter per second square, and AT equals 15 into sin 30, that is equal to 15 into 1 by 2, that is nothing but 7.5 meter per second square. The centripetal acceleration formula relates AC and speed v as AC equals v square by r. Let us substitute AC equals 12.99 meter per second square and r equals 2.5 meters. In the above formula, we get 12.99 equals v square by 2.5. Therefore, v square equals 12.99 into 2.5, that is equal to 32.475. Thus, v equals square root of 32.475, which is approximately equal to 5.7 meter per second. So the correct answer is option A.